Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Chapter 1, The Need for Cybersecurity. This chapter explains what cybersecurity is and why the demand for cybersecurity professionals is growing. It explains what your online identity and data is, where it is, and why it is of interest to cybercriminals. This chapter also discusses what organizational data is, and why it must be protected. It discusses who the cyber attackers are and what they want. Cybersecurity professionals must have the same skills as the cyber attackers, but cybersecurity professionals must work within the bounds of the local, national and international law. Cybersecurity professionals must also use their skills ethically. Also included in this chapter is content that briefly explains cyber warfare and why nations and governments need cybersecurity professionals to help protect their citizens and infrastructure.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.